Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, haircare, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, so if that's interest you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to do a mini Flipkart haul. Let's just show you what I got. So we have this and we have this. These are the two boxes. One is not yet shipped, so maybe I will edit that, and I was like, I'm going to unbox this, so let's just film this. So yeah, so first I'm going to open this one out. So I have bought a lot of SFR eyeshadow palette because I love their eyeshadow formula, and the price point is also good. So I love affordable makeup, so that's why I bought another one. And this is a Cozy palette, and these days I'm loving those tone like rosy pinky shadows. They have a lilac one too, but I was like, let's just get rose tone this time because I get carried away when I see lavender, mauves, purple, pinks. I get carried away. So this is like really good. Can you guys see? It's like the bubble wrap and all. Is the Flipkart packaging is much more better. Like if it's Amazon, they sell in a just their one plastic packaging, and the products are usually broken. And the Flipkart packaging is better than Amazon one. A lot of time my makeup is broken by Amazon. So yeah. So I'm trying to open this finally. Oh, there is another packaging layer. So see, another packaging layer, and this is the next layer. I have to remove this. Oh god, this is so much secure. Oh, finally I'm able to get this. I got this. Like, you need like some tools when you're opening these Flipkart parcels. Like, they're really secured. Okay, now another bubble wrapping. This is like highly secured packaging. Finally I'm able to see my palette. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, so this is the rose. As I was saying, they have a lilac one. I was like, get the rose one. You have so many lavenders and lilacs and mauves. Oh wow. Wow, it's a kind of unique color story. I don't have anything like this. Yeah, so let's just swatch it. So I'm going to swatch this row. Okay, this lightest shade I have to swatch 3 times to get some pigment. Now wow, this is a neon pink. See, neon pink. Okay, and then I'm going to swatch the yellow. Yellow is also not that pigmented. So far I only love the pigment of this neon one. These are buildable, like not extremely. So this is, and this are not that pigmented. Okay, now I'm going to swatch this row, this purpley row. Wow, this pink is so cute. Going to swatch the purple. So pretty. Wow, the purple is so pretty. It's like really pretty. And then I'm going to swatch the mauve. Okay, it's a pastel purple. Okay, a lot of pastel shadows. This palette has a lot of pastel shades. So this is the next row: the mauve, the purple, the pink. Actually, these I will swatch more shades here because ulta pad raha hai, my hand is like, I'm not able to show you that properly. So I'm going to swatch these two row next. This is the silver. Then this is the shimmery. Wow, really pretty. This shimmery lemon sort of shade is really unique into my collection. I'm going to swatch this brown. It's a pinky brown. Okay, so this is the this row, silver or yellow, then the transition. As you can see, silver, yellow, the transition. Beautiful shadows. Now I'm going to swatch the last row. I'm going to swatch the burgundy. This shade is insane. So very pretty burgundy. Then I'm going to swatch the hot pink. Wow, it's like really pigmented. This is the hot pink. See, and this is the gray. Now I'm swatching the gray. Wow, see, so very pretty. See, purple gray shade. It's really pretty. On and all, I'm really happy. This one was just 200 rupees. As of our 9 pan palettes are generally 200 rupees, and they are really good. I like the transy packaging. It's easy to see what's inside. So yeah, I like it. Okay, now moving on to this next, and I think I have Swiss Beauty lipstick in it. Now these days I'm not buying that much lipstick because I already have so much, and I just wanted to test the formula. This formula is so comparable to Huda, and You know, this beauty is kind of duping Huda. You know, they have the 9 pan, and 9 pan is really high quality. I think Swiss Beauty eyeshadow can beat any high-end eyeshadow palette. And now they have duped the Huda lipstick. Their lipstick are so expensive. For eyeshadow palette, I'm like, okay. But for lipstick, nah, in under 200 300 I can get beautiful lips. And plus liquid lipstick, have you tried the Maybelline new liquid lipstick? It's very good formula. So this is the packaging. So I bought the shade Brandy Harrington because it was a beautiful dark mauve nude. So I was like, let's just grab that. It's mauve. So yeah, how to, can you guys see the packaging? I'm speechless. It's just 300 rupees. The packaging itself is so luxe. I don't need Huda. I have Swiss Beauty. And a lot of time when I see an influencer brand, okay, you are expensive because you are an influencer brand, you know. Okay, trying to take this out. Again, a plastic packaging, and the bullet is so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. The packaging of bullet is so pretty. It's looking really luxe. See, such a pretty packaging. Okay, so this is the bullet, and yeah, it's looking like a deep mauve nude. Wow, see, wow, this shade is so pretty. I want to try this shade out. Let me just remove this shade and I will try this shade. It's looking so pretty. So yeah, now I have taken, you know, I have removed my lipstick. So I was having Maybelline Peach, Rosy Peach. Wow, this shade is addiction. I will use this shade regularly. See, it's a beautiful mauve brown. It's a brown with a little bit of mauve, and it is looking so pretty. And I think I don't have such shade. It's a unique shade. And this is the hand swatch, and I think I will wear this regularly. It's a very pretty nude shade. I really love this shade. So also this has magnet like here and here. So yeah, it's really secure. Like your bullet is really secure. Have another parcel with 2 SFR, you know. So I also have 2 SFR, like the blueberry one and I think the watermelon one. I don't remember. And I'm going to maybe include that in different video. I was like about to unbox them, so I was like, let's just shoot this video, like a quick small video. Okay, so you know, these palettes are 250 on Amazon, but on Flipkart you can get this bundle where you can get it for 399. So I'm going to show you first the blueberry one. And no, I have not used this today. I have used NY Bay one, and you can see the tones are different, and you have all the blues, and I love blue and purple. So I thought, you know, let's just, I already have a purple one, so I thought let's just get the blue. And these are really beautiful pastel shadows, plus we have some deeper shadows. So first I'm going to show you the mattes. They are like pigmented, you know. SFR like makes such good shadows. See, insane pigmentation. And now I'm going to swatch the shimmers. Wow, this is really beautiful. The quality of SFR is like top notch. You cannot beat that, and I don't know how they do it. See, insane pigmentation. Like, and these are, so these are the shimmers. So if you love blue only, then get it, because they are all blue, of course. So if you like a particular color theme and you want to grab that particular, you know, all the colors in that family, like there are so many blues in this. And I think this is dupe of ColourPop. Yeah, it's a dupe of ColourPop, and I think it's like quality is so similar. And I think ColourPop ones are $14, and I don't know why they are not in India now till now. I think they have international free deliveries, so I guess that's why. I think they should come to India. What do you guys think? The next is this watermelon one, and yeah, I'm going to throw these sheets and see. Now, I was never a red person, but recently this Diwali I tried a couple of red shadows, and I was like, they look good on me. And I'm going to swatch first the mattes again. Wow, I think this is much more pigmented. I think because it's red, and see, beautiful oranges and reds. These are orangey reds. Clearly I can see that. See, these are so pretty. And I think I will use this one more because it is a little more wearable. You cannot, you know, wearable, you cannot wear blue every day. So 1 2 3. Okay, this is shimmer or matte. Yeah, it's also matte, but it has a little bit of sheen, I think. Satin kind of. See, so I think this is little, yeah, these 3 are the shimmers, and rest of them are mattes. And if you are into, you know, orangey reds, you will really like. And I think on Indian complexion, these tones look so pretty. So yeah, that's that. And I wanted a flat top kabuki brush since a long time, and now finally I got this one out. I have yet to try this, but I know the quality of Wet n Wild brushes are really good. And yeah, this one was 200 on discount, so I think it's a steal deal. You're getting such a good quality brush in such a low price. I think really good. Okay, so finally we are done with this haul. I hope you like this video. I'm going to definitely do, you know, a tutorial with these two palettes, like, you know, not a dedicated tutorial, but full face first impression, something kind of thing with these. I have another SFR one that I have already shown you. So I have 3 SFR palettes. I will definitely create so many looks with them. And you know, I already love the quality of SFR, so you know, if you like a particular color story, like if you like purple, blue, anything, if you want dedicated palette dedicated to that family, you can grab these palettes. These are really good. So I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.